2026. The world is changing faster than ever. Robotics is no longer science fiction. It's our new reality.
I'm Max. Here, we don't just watch the future happen. We deconstruct it.
To the machines that will build the first cities on the moon. We analyze the tech, the code, and the visionaries behind the most advanced AI on Earth. If you want to know what's coming next, you're in the right place.
Welcome to the evolution. Subscribe, and let's build the future together.